Ma'am.
Take out page number 26.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning,
Morning, ma'am.
everyone. Good morning. And thank you so much for your wishes. Thank you, Ritesh. Okay. Now take out page number 26. Page number 26. Everyone, page number 26. Priyanshu, where is the book? Take out page number 26. Thank you, Vanshika. Now take out page number 26. Thank you, Parth. Okay. In last class, we have done the textual exercise of chapter 4, that is Indian states. We have done page number 25, that is check the correct answer, fill in the blanks. Today we will do page number 26, that is match the following. Everyone take out page number 26, that is, thank you, Aiding. Thank you very much, beta. Okay, do page number 26. Thank you, Shivam. Now let's move on towards our study. Everyone, match the capitals with their states. Okay, your first question is, here we have given few states and also capital names. What we will do? We will match the capitals with the state's name. Yes, Shivam. Yes, Shivam, wait. Shivam, unmute yourself.
मैम मेरा चैप्टर 3 का ई नंबर नहीं हो पाया था, ई नंबर का 3 और 4.
E number, chapter 3.
यस मैम.
चैप्टर 3 का कौन सा नहीं हुआ था? Which question you have not done, बेटा?
मैम ई नंबर का 4, 3 and 4.
E number का 3 and 4. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Your question is, people lead a very easy and comfortable life. Wait, Rudra Narayan, wait, beta. People lead a very easy and comfortable life in the third desert. No. Right here, false. False.
False.
Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, your next question is, tell me the next question.
The northern planets are very big.
It's fertile. The northern plains are very fertile.
True.
Yes, tell me.
True.
Right? T. True. Northern plains.
मैम मैं कर तो लेता पर मुझे डाउट था.
Shivam, try to speak in English, beta. Your English is very good. Why are you not trying? Okay, let's move on towards the next chapter. That is chapter number 4. Chapter number 4. Shivam, mute yourself. Now, chapter number 4. And last class, we have done till B number. Yes, Rudra. Take out chapter number 4. That is page number 26. Page number 26. Rudra, page number 26. Who have done the match the following? Who have done? Yes. What is your name, beta? Why you have not written your name? Read me. Who have done match the following? Yes, you, Grachna. You, Grachna, unmute yourself. Yes. Unmute yourself, Yugrachna.
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading. Right now we are doing chapter number 4, page number 26. We are doing page number 26. That is question number D. Match the capitals with their states. Here we have given 5 states name and we have to match the state's name with the capital's name. Yes, Yugrachna. First you unmute yourself. Done? Yugrachna, unmute yourself, beta. Unmute yourself, Yugrachna. Yes. First question is,
Maharashtra.
what is the capital? What will be the capital?
Mumbai.
Yes, everyone match Maharashtra with Mumbai. Page number 26. Right now we are doing page number 26. Right now we are doing page number 26. Everyone take out, wait. We are doing page number 26. Question number D. Everyone, page number 26. Question number D. Yes, match Maharashtra with Mumbai. That is E number. Match Maharashtra with Mumbai. Yeah, next Yugrachna.
Tamil Nadu.
Nadu, it's Nadu. It's not Naidu. Nadu, Tamil Nadu. What will be the capital?
Chennai.
Chennai. Number C. Everyone match Tamil Nadu with Chennai. C number. Match Tamil Nadu with Chennai. It's C number. Next question.
West Bengal.
What is the capital of West Bengal?
Kolkata.
Yes. Match West Bengal with D number. That is Kolkata. Match with West Bengal with D number. That is Kolkata. Yes. Next.
Uttarakhand.
What will be the capital?
Dehradun.
Yes. Everyone match Uttarakhand with Dehradun. That is B number. Match question number 4 with B number. Uttarakhand with B number. That is Dehradun. Last question.
Jharkhand.
What is the capital of Jharkhand?
Ranchi.
Yes. Match Jharkhand with Ranchi. Who have not done? You can raise your hand. Who have not done? Yes. Okay. What happened, Iksha? Okay, Yugrachna, repeat your answer, beta.
Maharashtra. Mumbai. Tamil Nadu. Chennai. West Bengal. Kolkata. Uttarakhand. Dehradun. Jharkhand. Ranchi.
Yes. Now, we will do question number E. That is, who am I? Yugrachna, have you done?
No.
Okay. Who have done number E? Who have done? Yes, Aditya, unmute yourself, beta. Yes, unmute yourself, Aditya.
Ma'am.
Now read. Start reading.
I am the state with lowest population.
Which state have lowest population?
Sikkim.
Sikkim. Everyone write Sikkim. 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 Wait, those who is facing trouble, I will write. SIKKIM. It's Sikkim. Sikkim is a state with lowest population. Don't do this.
I am the state with largest population.
Yes. Next. Read next question, Aditya.
I am the state with largest population.
What will be the
Uttar
answer?
Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. Students, listen here. If question will ask ki which state have the largest population, the answer will be Uttar Pradesh. And which state have lowest population, the answer will be Sikkim. And again, if the question will ask which state is the largest state in terms of area, the answer will be Rajasthan. And which state is lowest or smallest in terms of area, the answer will be, or answer is Goa. In this question, write Uttar Pradesh. Wait. Who is doing this? Students, I'm recording. Ansh? Ansh? Ansh Kumar. You have done this. Next time you will do, I am not going to allow to you in my class. Write Uttar Pradesh. UTTAR. Uttar. PRADESH. UTTAR. Uttar. PRADESH. Written? Do like this. Everyone have written? Okay, Iksha, I'm repeating. UTTAR. And students, don't scratch on the screen. I'm recording right now. UTTAR. Uttar. PRADESH. Pradesh. UTTAR. Uttar. PRA. Don't scratch. I'm recording. Again. Very good, Iksha. Yes. Next question. Read, Aditya.
I am the head of state government.
Who is the head of state government?
Governor.
Governor. Right? Governor. G-O. Right? Governor. In third question, write governor. 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 Don't do this. Governor. Governor. Written, Iksha? Iksha, have you done better? Very good, Rudra. Very good. Next question.
I am the only
Next
state
question.
UT of my kind.
What will be the answer?
Delhi.
Yes. Yes, Delhi. Why? Why the question is saying I am the only state or UT that is union territory? I am the only state union territory of my kind because Delhi is the state also, it is the capital also, and it is one of the union territory also. That means here this place is governed by the state government also, and this place is governed by the central government also. Understood? That's why it is saying here I am the only state UT that is union territory of my kind. Right? Delhi. 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 Iksha written? Very good. Read next question.
I am the smallest union territory.
Which state is, which place is the smallest union territory?
Lakshadweep.
Lakshadweep. Here it is talking about the union territory. Students, don't be confused. It is not talking about the particular state. Here it is asking about the union territory. The answer is Lakshadweep. And students, don't scratch on the screen. Now I am writing. LAKSHADWEEP. Shivam? Shivam, I have noticed you. Arnav Raj? Right? Lakshadweep. LAKSHADWEEP. It is given in your book. Write the spelling from there. Lakshadweep. 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 Very good. Here it is written Lakshadweep. It is given in page number 23. Page number 23. It is given there. Union territory, that is second number. Lakshadweep. 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 Yes, now Aditya, mute yourself and let's start a new chapter, that is food we eat. Our another chapter, that is food we eat. Now let's start a new chapter, that is food we eat. Students, what are the kinds of food that we used to eat in our daily life? There are various food grains that we eat. There are various vegetables, fruits, spices, right? We will talk about these things in a new chapter, that is food we eat. And in this chapter, what we will study? We will study about the popular food grain in India. Which part of India is popular for which kind of food grain? Then we'll study about food grains eaten in different regions. That means ki what are the food grains that are being eaten by the people of various states. Okay, so page number is 27. Take out page number 27. Everyone, page number 27. Start. We all need food to live. It is true. We all need food to live. Without food, we will not live. That's why we all need food to live. And people living in different parts of India eat different kinds of food. Yes, people living in different parts of India eat different kinds of food. Why? Just because of their climatic condition, just because of the landforms, just because of the climatic condition, there are various crops grown in various states like wheat. Wait, Ankit. Beta, it's page number 27. Everyone take out page number 27. Page number 27. Okay. The type of food we eat depends upon the various landforms. If we talk about the landforms, is it various places are few places are plains, plateaus. So food all depends upon the landform, climatic condition of that. If we talk about the climate, it is 21. Okay, Rudra, take out chapter 5, that is food we eat. Everyone take out chapter number 5, that is food we eat. And if we talk about the climatic condition, the climatic condition of various places are hot, few are cold, few places are very hot, right? So if what is it? We used to eat different kinds of food, and that all depend upon the various climatic condition and various landforms of a particular region. Wheat, rice, maize, jowar and bajra are the most popular food grains in India. Wheat, rice, maize, jowar, bajra, these are the most popular food grains in India. And you all can see here, these are the pictures of the proper food that is being eaten by various states, or you can say various directions. Now let us know about the favorite food grains. In North India, you know, people used to eat various wheat and rice. Why? People used to eat more wheat and rice. Why? Just because there are the these are the places, North India, the in North India, there are various states where wheat and rice are being grown in large quantity. Okay, that's why the people who are living in North India, that means this side, the people who are living North India, eating more and more wheat and rice. Why? Because wheat and rice are grown in large quantity in northern India, or North India we can say. Jowar, bajra and wheat are the popular in the desert state of Rajasthan. If we talk about the Rajasthan, this place. If we talk about the Rajasthan, this place, jowar, bajra and wheat are popular in the desert state of Rajasthan. Okay, these are, right now we are talking about the favorite or popular food grains of various states. So in North India, people are eating mostly wheat and rice. Why? Because these two crops are grown there in a larger quantity. Same as jowar, bajra and wheat are popular in the desert state of Rajasthan. Now turn the page. Everyone turn the page. Turn the page, everyone. First, you all see the pictures of various food grains. See the pictures of various food grains in your book. In your book. First, all of you see the picture of various food grains. How it looks. wheat, rye, oat, barley, maize, rice, sorghum, millets. How it looks? First, all of you look at your page, the pictures of various food grains. The pictures of various food grains. Students, in other parts of India, rice is a popular food grain and eaten by most of the peoples. Okay. And people who are living in eastern and southern state eats more rice. Here, people who are living eastern, this side, people who are living eastern and the southern side, people who are living eastern, this side, eastern and the southern side, they are eating more rice. Why? Because rice are being produced in eastern and western sides of India in a larger quantity. That's why people who are living in eastern and western states of India are eating more rice. Now, here are few states. Here are some states. Right now, I will tell you the name of that states where rice is very popular food grain. Odisha, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. These are the places where people used to eat more rice. Wait, students, let me take the attendance. Right now, we are talking about the popular food grain of eastern and southern state. People who are living in eastern and southern states eating more and more rice. Why? Because it is grown in greater quantity in these two directions, or you can say the eastern and southern direction of India. This side, the eastern, here people used to eat more and more rice because rice is a popular food grain of eastern and southern state. People who are living in coastal areas eat more and more rice and fish. Why? What is coastal areas? Who will tell me? Anyone will tell me what is coastal areas? Yes, yes, Aditya, wait. Yes, Aditya, tell me what is coastal areas? Unmute yourself.
And where the sea meets.
Loudly, beta, loudly.
And the areas where the sea meets are called coastal areas.
The area where the
Sea meets.
sea meets. The area where the sea meets with the land is called the coastal areas, where the people used to live there. Okay, where the area meet, where the area that is formed after meeting the land with the sea, that area is called the coastal areas. So in that, Aditya, mute yourself. That areas where people used to live there used to eat more rice and fish. Okay. Now, let us talk about the various fruits and vegetables. Students, there are various vegetables and fruits which we will get throughout the year, or which is available to us throughout the year. But there are various fruits and vegetables also that are seasonal, or we are getting that seasonal. Ankit, take out chapter number 5, that is food we eat. That is food we eat. Ankit, take out chapter number 5, that is food we eat. Anas, sit properly, beta. Okay. Apart from food grains, there are various pulses, there are various vegetables and various fruits also, which we are eating or which we are intaking in our daily life. Now, let us know about the pulses first. Look at the pulses, everyone. Yes. Who will tell me what kind of pulses we used to eat in our daily life? Who will tell me? What are the pulses that you eat in your daily life? Yes, Anas, wait. Yes, tell me, Anas. Anas, unmute yourself, beta. Unmute yourself, Anas. Here is a yes. What kind of pulses
Ma'am,
you?
yellow.
Yes.
Ma'am, yellow.
What is yellow? What is the name of that pulses? Yes. Arhar. Then only one kind of pulses you used to eat in your daily life.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Anas, mute yourself. Aditya, unmute yourself. Yes, Aditya, say.
Arhar, moong, urad, masoor.
Yes, there are various pulses which we are intaking in our everyday life. If students, if you are not eating pulses, start eating, because pulses are very healthy for our body or for our health. That's why we should eat pulses every day. And what are the various kinds of pulses that we are eating? It is arhar, moong, masoor, urad dal, or arhar you can say tuar dal also, right? These are the pulses that we should eat in our daily life apart from food grains. Okay, now let us know about the vegetables and food grains, vegetables and fruits. Who will tell me name of the two vegetables and two fruits which are seasonal? Seasonal, I'm talking about seasonal. No, Aditya, every time you are getting the chance. Apart from Aditya, who will tell me? Rudra, you want to say? What are the two No, wait. Who will tell me the name of two vegetables and fruits that we are eating in this season? Aryan, you want to say? Okay. Yes, Aryan, say beta.
मैम वेजिटेबल में
English.
टमाटो
Aryan, English. Yes.
मैम टमाटो.
But tomato is available throughout the year, na? Aryan.
Yes, ma'am.
So, in this season.
Ma'am, vegetable.
Yes, vegetable name. Two vegetable name.
Ma'am, tomato and carrot.
Do you think, Aryan, carrot is available throughout the year?
No.
And tomato is available throughout the year?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I'm talking about the two vegetable name and two fruits name which are being available in this season only. That you are not eating every time.
Brinjal. Ma'am, brinjal.
Brinjal.
And ma'am,
brinjal is also, but brinjal is also available, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who will tell me the name of 2 vegetables and 2 fruits?
मैम फ्रूट में पता है हमको.
Aryan, not in this way, beta. Yes,
Yes,
wait,
ma'am.
wait, Aryan. Prashansa, you tell me, beta. Yes, Prashansa, you tell me. Tell me the name of 2 fruits that you are eating, which is not seasonal. Tell me the name of
fruits
2 fruits.
Ma'am, the 2 fruits are mango and watermelon. Ma'am,
Yes, very good. Mango and watermelon. Do we eat mango in every season?
no. Yes, ma'am.
No, beta, no, Aryan. We are not eating mango every season. Do we eat watermelon in every season?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Very
No.
good. Yes,
Ma'am,
Aryan, mute yourself. Aryan, mute
Ma'am,
yourself, beta. Aryan, mute yourself, beta. Okay, Prashansa, you tell me the name of 2 vegetables that you are eating in this season.
Ma'am, carrot.
Name of 2 vegetables that you are eating in